Hello, welcome back. In today's video, let us solve few problems on ratio. Look at the first question. In a school club, there are 12 boys and 18 girls. What is the ratio of boys to the total number of club members? First, here we need to find the ratio of boys to the total number of club members, right? So here we can simply add the number of girls and boys together to find out the number of club members. So 12 plus 8 is 30. Total number of club members 12 boys and 18 girls. So total number of club members are 30. Here we got to know the total number of club members. Now we need to express the ratio of boys to that total, right? So the ratio of boys to the total number of club members is 12 is boys ratio and total number of club members are 30. So 12 is to 30 is the boys ratio, right? So next we have to just simplify it to find out the ratio of boys. So divide both numbers by 6 to simplify the ratio. Both the numbers are divisible by 6. Yes. So here 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 and 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So 2 is to 5. So the simplified ratio is 2 is to 5. The ratio of boys to the total number of club members is 2 is to 5. Yes. Here is the next question. A car travels 180 miles in 4 hours while another car travels 240 miles in 5 hours. What is the ratio of the speeds of the two cars? First of all, to find out the ratio of the speeds of two cars, we have to use the formula, that is speed is equal to distance divided by time. Yes, we will have to first find out miles per hour, right? So here car 1 distance equals 180 miles and time is 4 hours. So if we divide 180 miles by 4 hours, we will be able to find out miles per hour. That is 180 divided by 4 is 45. So car 1 can travel 45 miles per hour. Let us find out for second car, that is 240 divided by 5 hours. If we do, we'll be able to find out miles per hour. That is distance 240 miles, time 5 hours. So distance divided by time will get 48 miles per hour. 48 miles per hour. We got to know that car A can travel 45 miles per hour and car B can travel 48 miles per hour. Here is the next step. We'll have to find the ratio of the speeds of the two cars. To find out ratio speed of the first car and speed of the second car, we'll have to mention, right? That is 45 miles per hour and 48 miles per hour. Yes, to simplify, we can divide both the numbers by their greatest common factor, which is 3. Both are divisible by 3 and 3 is also the greatest common factor for both the numbers, that is 45 and 48. So 45 divided by 3 is 15 and 48 divided by 3 is 16. So the ratio of the speeds of two cars is 15 is to 16. First step, we'll have to find out the miles per hour for both the cars and then we'll have to find out the ratio of both the cars. So here the simplified ratio of the speeds of the two cars is 15 is to 16. 15 is to 16 cannot be further simplified as both of them will not be divided by one factor, right? So it remains as it is. Here is the next question. A bakery sells muffins in the ratio of 5 blueberry muffins to 3 chocolate muffins. If they sell a total of 64 muffins, how many are blueberry and how many are chocolate? Here they have given the ratio, also the total number. So we'll have to find out how many chocolate muffins were sold and how many blueberry muffins were sold. So here, to find out how many of the muffins are blueberry and how many are chocolate, we can use the given ratio, that is 5 blueberry muffins and 3 chocolate muffins. So here first we have to find out the total number of parts in the ratio, that is 5 parts of blueberry and 3 parts of chocolate, which is equal to 8 parts. It is in 8 parts. Next we have to calculate how many sets of 8 parts make up 64 muffins by dividing the total number of muffins by the total number of parts. That is nothing but 64 muffins divided by how many parts? 8 parts. So here in the next step, we'll have to divide the total number of muffins, that is 64, by 8 parts to find out the value of 1 part, right? So here 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8 sets of 8 parts. Now what can we do? Now we can find the number of blueberry and chocolate muffins in this 8 sets. So blueberry muffins are 5 parts. 5 parts into 8 sets. 5 parts into 8 sets. If we do, we'll be able to get 5 into 8 is 40. So blueberry muffins are 40 and chocolate muffins are 3 parts. Yes, 3 parts, which we have to multiply by 8 sets, which is equal to 24 muffins. So there are 40 blueberry muffins and 24 chocolate muffins in total. The ratio is given. So we were supposed to find out the blueberry muffins and chocolate muffins. Total it was 64. Now if you add 40 plus 24, it will be 64. First you have to find out how many parts were there by adding 5 plus 3. Then we got to know 8 parts. 8 parts divided by 64. 64 divided by 8 parts will be 8 itself. Yes, 8 times is 64. And then we multiplied both the parts with 8. Blueberry part was 5, which we multiplied with 8 and we got it as 40 muffins. Similarly, chocolate muffins parts were 3, which was multiplied by 8 and we got the total number of muffins as 24. So there are 40 blueberry muffins and 24 chocolate muffins in total. So students, in our previous video, we had understood what is a ratio is and how to find out the ratio, right? So I hope these word problems were useful to understand it better. Thanks for watching and keep supporting